Hello guys, welcome. Selamat datang. Yes. Please share this link to your friend also, guys. If you guys got friends that need help for this chapter, please share this link to them also. Okay? You can share this class link to them and ask them to join. Okay? This one today we are doing is from 4 chapter 7, graph of motion. Okay? I will explain in BM and English, so don't worry guys. Saya akan terangkan dua-dua. Okay, BM and also English both. So for those take English, you can listen English. For those yang ambil BM, saya akan juga terangkan dalam BM. Okay, one more minute we'll start guys. 8:05 p.m. kita mula. Okay, boleh panggil kawan-kawan masuk juga. Okay, from 4 chapter 7, graph gerakan. Guys, is my voice clear? Just want to check. Suara saya jelas tak? Clear, Okay. Okay. All right, so I think we can start already. It's going to be 8:05. Let me open cam. Okay, and then share screen. Okay, guys, can you all see my screen? Just want to check. All of you, semua boleh nampak screen saya tak? Yang saya share. Yes or no? Can you comment? Boleh nampak? Can see? Okay, good. Hold on. Let me adjust first. Okay, nice. All right. Okay, so are you guys ready to start? Semua sedia untuk mula? If you guys are ready, please comment. Ready atau tak? Ready. Come on, semangat guys. Okay, so let's start. Alright, so guys, today our main focus is distance time graph and also speed time graph. Okay, kita akan fokus dua graph utama ni. Okay, graph jarak masa dan juga graph laju masa. Okay, this is our focus for today. Okay, for distance time graph, jarak masa, you must know a few things lah guys. Okay, kamu kena tahu beberapa perkara dulu. Okay, so guys, distance time graph, gradient, what does it represent? For distance time graph. Kalau ada graf jarak melawan masa, kecerunan tu mewakili apa? Okay, sama-sama. What does the gradient represent? Distance time. So you guys must imagine lah. Distance, y-axis, time, x-axis. Yes. Okay, it represent the speed. Correct. Okay, jarak melawan masa, kecerunan tu adalah kelajuan. Okay, it represent your speed. Alright. How about the okay, area under graph? Does it represent anything? Distance time graph, luas bawah graph, dia mewakili apa-apa tak? Kalau graph jarak melawan masa. Yes or no? Does it represent any quantity for distance time graph? Okay, anyone else? Area under graph, does it represent anything for distance time? Luas bawah graph ni mewakili apa? Siapa tahu? I don't know. Okay. Yes, basically there is no answer guys. Tak ada jawapan. Okay, luas bawah graf jarak melawan masa ni tak ada apa-apa. Okay, there is no quantity that representing the area under distance time graph. Okay, remember that. Okay, tak ada apa-apa quantity guys. Okay, you must remember that. So only gradient. Okay, kamu boleh tahu kecerunan saja. Okay, so guys, if gradient is positive, what does it mean? Can you tell me? Kalau kecerunan graf jarak melawan masa ni positif, dia mewakili apa? Siapa tahu? Gradient positive. Okay, yes, very good. Okay, you can say acceleration. Okay, or you can say the speed is increasing lah. Okay, kelajuan tu bertambah. Okay, or halaju bertambah. Okay, usually we talk speed or velocity. Alright. How if the gradient is horizontal, guys? Kalau kecerunan tu malah maksudnya apa? Let's say it's horizontal. Distance time graph. What does it represent? Yes, okay, if it's horizontal like this means we are talking uniform velocity lah. Not stop. Wait. Horizontal. Yeah, stop, guys. Now we are talking distance time, jarak melawan masa. So, jarak melawan masa, kalau dia mendatang macam ni, maksudnya, objek tu pergun atau berhenti. Okay, zero. Okay, the gradient here is zero, right, guys? Kecerunan kosong, maka kelajuan tu juga kosong. Sebab kecerunan tu kelajuan. You guys must remember that. Okay, distance time graph, the gradient is the speed. So, gradient zero means speed also zero, means the object is stationary or stop. Okay. How about like this, guys? If your gradient is, if it's like this, macam ni, if it's negative, what does it represent? Yes. Okay. The thing is slowing down lah. Okay. Kelajuan atau halaju berkurang, or you can say deceleration. Okay. Ni pecutan. Alright. Alright. So that is distance time graphs. Basic things lah that you guys must know. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So let's see some example, guys. Kita lihat contoh about this topic. That's just a fast recap. Okay. So this is the distance time graph we are talking about today. Okay, guys. Before we see the question, can you guys analyze or not? Over here, bahagian ni, guys. Apa tengah berlaku? Cuba huraikan. Can you guys describe what is happening? This part of the graph? Yes. Okay. Alright. Yes, you can say speeding up. Okay, kelajuan tu bertambah. Yes. Okay. Okay. But you guys must be careful lah. Guys, over here, right? The gradient is constant or not constant? May I know? Kecerunan ni malah atau tak malah? Yeah, constant, right? Okay, your gradient is constant. So your gradient is constant means what, guys? Your speed is also constant, right? Okay, kelajuan kamu juga malah kan? So kalau kamu kata halaju bertambah, salah. Halaju malah. Okay, it's constant velocity, constant speed. Okay, the keyword here is constant because gradient is constant. Alright, so if constant speed or constant velocity, acceleration is how much? May I know? Kalau laju tu malah, pecutan berapa? You guys got study also. Yes. Okay, the answer is zero. Okay, if constant means no acceleration or zero acceleration. Okay, tak ada pecutan. Alright. Okay, and then this part, guys, kat sini, what is happening? May I know? Second part. Horizontal. Yes. Okay, means that it stop. Okay, velocity is zero. Okay, tak ada laju ataupun pergun lah. Okay, velocity is zero. Okay, so yeah, you already interpret the graph. Now we can see the question. Okay, so the question is, they are saying, okay, so the journey is from Seremban to Lumut. Okay, sekarang dia pergi dari Seremban kepada Lumut. And he stopped at Rawang for lunch. Okay, dia berhenti kat Rawang lah untuk makan. So basically, this is your graph. Okay, Rawang and also Seremban. Okay, Seremban to Rawang. Okay, so mana dia berhenti, guys? Where does he stop? Can you guys see it? Bahagian mana dia berhenti kat sini? If you guys see the graph, let me erase. It's over here. Okay, kat sini dia berhenti kan kat titik ni. Okay, it's at this point where he stopped. Okay, this point over here. This one. Okay, this is where he stopped for break. Okay, dia berhenti kat sini sebab dia tak bergerak. Maksudnya rehat lah. Alright. Okay, so they say that average speed. Okay, laju purata. Average speed is 66.2/3 kilometer per hour. Okay, guys, average speed. Do you all know what is the formula? All of you? Apa rumus untuk kira laju purata? Siapa tahu? Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, the keyword is total, guys. You must have total in your answer. Okay, whenever we talk about average speed, laju purata, formula dia adalah jumlah jarak bahagi dengan jumlah masa. Jumlah tu sangat penting. Kena ada perkataan jumlah. Bukan jarak bahagi masa saja. Mesti jumlah. Baru kamu boleh dapat purata. Average. Okay, yes. Total distance over total time. Correct. Okay, so basically, guys, what is your total distance here? May I know? Apa jumlah jarak kamu berdasarkan graf ni? Simple. What is your total distance, guys? Anyone? Jumlah jarak. 300. Berdasarkan graf, guys. You guys kena lihat graf. Yes. Okay, the total distance is the R. Okay, R. Ini adalah jumlah jarak kamu. Okay. Yang ni dia tak bergerak. So, tak ada apa-apa lah kat sini. Kosong. Okay, here is R. Okay. So, yeah. And then, what is your total time, guys? Jumlah masa? Berapa? Based on the graph. Careful. See carefully, guys. Nampak betul-betul. Itu soalan dia. Kamu kena cari R. Okay, kamu kena cari distance. Can you see? Kamu kena cari jarak, iaitu R lah. Okay. Yes. Okay, your total time is 2.5 hours, guys. Ini adalah jumlah masa kamu, 2.5 jam. Okay, guys, check the unit always. Okay, kamu kena peka tentang unit kamu. Okay, so if you guys see the unit kilometer per hour, okay, you must take note. This is your unit, kilometer per hour. Okay, guys, if you see here, kilometer and also hour. So, sama tak, guys, unit kat sini dengan unit dalam graph? Is it the same unit? Yes or no? Yeah, same, right? So if same unit, you no need to convert lah. Tak perlu buat apa-apa penukaran unit sebab semua dah sama, kilometer per hour. Okay, so 66 2/3 equal to R over 2.5. So kamu selesaikan untuk R sajalah, boleh dapat jawapan. Okay, so this is for part A. Okay, part A, this is your answer. Can you see, guys? Are you all clear? So your total distance is 100 kilometers. Okay? Boleh ya, guys? Clear? For part A? Simple, right? So this is how you do part A. Okay, next one. Part B. Okay, so for part B, they say distance between Seremban and Lumut is 300 km. Okay, dia bagi tahu jarak Seremban dan Lumut adalah 300 km. Okay, 300 km. So you guys can see here. This is Seremban. Seremban kat bawah. And then Lumut. Lumut is over here lah, guys. Okay, mana dia rehat, itu adalah Lumut lah kat sini. Okay, this point over here, this is Lumut. Okay, so they say that he drive at average speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Okay, dia memandu 80 kilometer sejam from Rawang. Okay, so they ask you complete the distance time graph. Okay, so kamu kena lengkapkan lah graph ni. Okay, so based on all this info, kamu kena lengkapkan graf ni. Okay, so sekarang dia pergi dari Rawang ke Lumut. Okay, so Rawang ke Lumut, guys. So how do you think you're going to draw the graph? Macam mana kamu nak lengkapkan graf ni? Siapa tahu? What is the step to complete this graph? So he say it's 300 km and also average speed 80. So any idea, guys? Macam mana? Just now, R, you guys dapat berapa? Okay, R, you guys get, total is, let me see. Total is 100 km. Okay, R is 100. Alright. So this one is 100. So macam mana lukis, guys? How to draw the graph? Any idea? Anyone? Kamu kena lengkapkan graph ni. So macam mana? Think and see, guys. Cuba fikir. Come on, guys. Think and see. Think. Cuba fikir. Saya kena lukis atas atau bawah? Ada dua arah saja, guys. Saya lukis atas atau bawah? Mana yang betul? A atau B? Ada dua pilihan saja, guys. You have only two choice. So what do you think? Which is the correct graph? A or B? You guys choose. Okay, sama-sama lagi. I want more answer. A or B? Based on logic, guys. You need to think logic now. A or B? Come on, guys. I need more people to answer. Lagi orang kena jawab. A or B? Okay, sama-sama. Come on. Don't be scared to try, guys. Cuba, jangan risau. Okay, salah tak apa. Wrong doesn't matter. As long as you guys try. A or B? I want more answer. At least 5, guys. Sekurang-kurangnya 5 jawapan saya nak. Now I got 3 already. 2 more. 2 lagi. Come on. A or B? Because I want to see majority. Pilih apa? Come on, guys. More people. Lagi. A atau B? Mana graf yang betul? Okay. The situation is 300 km, Seremban dan Lumut, dan laju purata kena 80. So you guys think logic. Which is the correct graph? No more answer, tak ada jawapan lain. Okay, so the answer is actually A. Okay, jawapan dia adalah A, guys. Okay, answer is A. Okay, do you all know why is A? Kamu tahu tak kenapa jawapan dia A? Any idea? The reason is, guys, because of this. Can you see, guys? 300 km. Nampak yang ni tak? 300 km. Kalau saya lukis ke bawah, boleh tak saya capai 300 km? Cuba fikir. Guys, R is 100. So kalau kamu pergi atas bawah 200 saja. Am I right? Okay, if you guys just draw the graph up and down, total is 200 km. Seremban to Lumut. But soalan kata kena 300 km. So, you guys need to add on top lah. Kamu kena lukis ke atas 200 km lagi. So that you can get 300 km. Do you see the point? So that's how you need to think. Okay, because the total must be 300 km. Okay, so you guys can see here, kena lukis macam ni lah. Okay, until 5 hours. Yes, very good. Because tadi hanya 100 km, so kena 200 lagi. Okay, over here is the extra 200 km guys. Kat sini, 200. Okay, and then time, you guys need to check. Okay, kamu kena kira yang ni. Okay, based on the info, distance kena 200 kan, dan mereka bagi tahu laju purata average speed is 80, so extra 2.5 hour. Yes, 2.5 not 2. Okay, dari 2.5 jadi 5, so tambah 2.5. Okay, plus 2.5 hour. Okay, can get the concept guys, all of you clear how to draw the graph? Can? Boleh. Alright. Okay, so now next one. Next question, let me see. Okay, example 9. Okay, this is also another example. Okay, so this one is 2 cars between Kuala Lipis and Cameron Highlands. Okay. This one is maths, normal maths. Okay, Form 4, Chapter 7 maths. Alright. Okay. Oh, I can see some people comment in YouTube also. Very good for those who say A. Continue supporting my YouTube. Okay. So, guys, Cameron Highlands. You guys pernah pergi tak Cameron Highlands? All of you. Have you guys been to Cameron? The rest, yang lain pernah pergi tak Cameron Highlands? Yes or no? Oh, not many, yeah? Okay, never mind. It's okay. So, just need to imagine, guys, Kuala Lipis to Cameron Highlands. Okay, so they say graph PBQ is the journey from Cameron to Kuala Lipis. Okay, PBQ ni dari Cameron kepada Kuala Lipis. So, Cameron is on top. Kamu kena bayangkan. Cameron, Kuala Lipis kat bawah. Where is Kuala Lipis? Guys, can anyone tell me where is Kuala Lipis? General knowledge question. No, I mean we state. Negeri apa Kuala Lipis terletak? Cuba komen. This one general knowledge guys. Don't Google Yang ni pengetahuan Kuala Lipis negeri mana guys? Pandai ya. Very smart you guys. Okay, is Pahang. Very good. So basically Pahang kepada Pahang lah. Tempat sama. Cameron Highlands is Pahang. Kuala Lipis also Pahang. Okay. So OABC is Kuala Lipis to Cameron. Yang ni terbalik. Okay. OABC is Kuala Lipis KL short form to Cameron C. Okay. So you guys must take note lah. Tengok graph betul-betul. Alright. Okay. So now question is, they say rate of change of distance for OA and BC is the same. Okay guys, you need to understand what is the meaning of rate of change in distance. Kadar perubahan jarak ni mewakili apa sebenarnya? This is the keyword. Rate of change of distance. So what do you need to count? Kamu kena kira apa? Kadar perubahan jarak. Anyone? Yes, very good. Okay, rate of change of distance means that you need to count the speed. And speed come from where guys? May I know? Laju tu datang dari mana? Based on distance time. Now we're doing distance time graph. Yes, distance over time. Okay, very good. Okay, jarak bahagi masa. So basically is your gradient lah. Okay, kamu kena cari kecerunan. Dan dia kata dia adalah sama. Kecerunan OA and BC adalah sama. Is the same. Okay, so you can equal lah, samakan dia. Okay, BC and also OA. Okay, so guys, I know a lot of you will ask me now, I look at this graph, how come it doesn't look the same? Saya nampak graph ni, kenapa kecerunan tak nampak sama? It's okay guys, just do it. Okay, buat saja. Kalau dia kata macam tu, ikut saja. Jangan tanya kenapa yang ni tak sama kecerunan dengan yang ni. You guys don't see and judge. Okay, you guys just follow the question only. Okay, no, this is maths. I know it's a bit like physics, but this is maths guys. Form 4, Chapter 7, maths. Okay, graph of motion. Graph gerakan. Alright. Okay, so guys, gradient, simple. Okay, for OA, can you guys tell me what is the gradient? All of you. Apa kecerunan dia untuk yang ni? Simple calculation. Cuba tekan calculator. Anyone can comment. Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is 5 over 4. Okay, 5 per 4. Or you can say 1.25 also can. Okay, 5 over 4 or 1.25. Okay, BC guys, can you tell me apa kecerunan dia? Dalam sebutan T. Give me your answer in term of T for BC gradient. Yes. Let me see. 1, 3, 5. 8. Are you sure? BC, yeah. Covendre Salavana, BC. Total. Okay, you must take this one minus this one and this one minus this one. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. 65 over 52 corner. 65 bahagi 52. 1.25 or 5 over 4. Okay, Y over X gradient. Yes. Okay, the answer is 70. Only T. Are you sure only T? Is T minus 77, guys. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Okay, 70 over T minus 77. Very good. Okay, so yeah, basically, then what you do guys, kamu ada dua yang ni, so buat apa? Selepas ni, kamu ada dua yang ni. Dia kata kecerunan sama. So, samakan dia lah. Okay, just equalize 70 over T minus 77 equal to 5 over 4. Yes. Okay, you can compare direct. Okay, so yeah, this is your answer. Okay, if you solve, you guys should get the answer is T is equal to 133. Okay, kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. Okay, so basically you just need to compare only. Okay, bandingkan saja. Alright. Okay, do you guys understand how to do this question? All of you? Semua jelas? Concept in this question? Basically just count gradient only. Okay? No problem guys. Until now, tak ada apa-apa masalah. Clear? Okay, next one. Okay, so now again they say guys, average speed is 72 km per hour. Okay, dia bagi tahu laju purata 72. Okay, and they want you guys to count the difference in time. Kamu kena cari beza masa untuk dua-dua perjalanan. Alright? Okay, so T you guys already know the answer. T is equal to 133, right? So you guys boleh tulis kat sini. This one is 133. 133. Okay. So now they want you guys to know the difference in time. Okay, so Cameron Highland to Kuala Lipis. Okay. So guys, how to start? Macam mana tahu perbezaan masa dia? How to know the difference in time? Any idea? First, you guys need to see this one lah. Okay, kamu kena tahu nilai ni lah. Am I right, guys? Okay, because this is from Cameron to Kuala Lipis, right? So you guys need to know this value, nilai ni. So how do you find, guys, this value? Anyone? This value over here. Think and see. Cuba fikir. How do I get that answer? Yes, time is equal to speed over distance. Yes, okay, distance equal to speed over time. So time is equal to speed over distance, correct? Okay, so basically you guys can compare the gradient. Okay, kamu boleh bandingkan kecerunan guys. Okay, if you guys compare this one, okay, let me use two color. Blue color. Okay, can you guys see the red color and blue color? Okay, if you see the red color and blue color, right guys, this one and also this one. Is the gradient same or different? May I know guys? Kecerunan dua-dua ni sama atau berbeza? Yeah, okay, it's actually the same, right? So I can actually just find the gradient for both of these and equal to each other, right? Okay, saya boleh samakan dua-dua kecerunan ni. Okay, for BP, can you guys tell me what is the gradient you all get? All of you? For BP. Cuba tekan calculator. Negative or positive, you don't need to care, guys. Okay, tak ada apa-apa impact. Negative or positive is okay. So anyone, what's the gradient for BP? Jawapan. Apa jawapan dia guys for BP? Yes. Okay, you should. Are you sure? Check and see carefully. Are you sure is 1.875? Try to count and see again. Wait, let me see. 77 minus 52. Wait. BP, right? 135 minus 65 over 77. Not yet. Try again. Guys, BP, gradient of BP. So basically 135 minus 65 over 77 minus 0. Correct? Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you guys should get 0.9090. Yeah, or 10 over 11. Correct. Okay, 10 over 11. So yeah, this is BP. And then BQ, basically, you can label this one T lah. Okay, the one that you don't know, kamu tak tahu yang ni, you just label T. Okay, for this point over here. This one. Okay, this one you guys just put T. You can use T or you can use K lah, simbol berlainan. Okay, use K. Alright. So K, okay, so 65 minus 0 over K minus 77. This is the gradient of BQ. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1 equal to 10 over 11. So you guys boleh selesaikan for K. Okay, you guys can see here. So basically you should get this. This is your K value. Okay, ini adalah nilai K kamu. 112.5. Okay, so the difference is basically 133. Your T value, which is 133, minus with 112.5. So your difference is 20.5 minutes. Okay, understand guys? Do you get the concept? How to solve? Okay, over here they show a different method. It's okay. This method also can. Okay, kaedah ni pun tak ada apa-apa masalah. It's just a different method, but the answer is the same. Okay, jawapan dia masih sama. 112.5. Alright guys, are you all clear for this one? Jelas? Can, Okay, next one. Okay, so let's see some exercise. Okay, alright. Alright, so this one is about 100 meter sport championship. Okay, yang ni berlari lah 100 meter. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, dua orang. This is the graph. So guys, common sense. Which one you think is the better person? Pink or green? Mana yang lebih bagus larian dia? Yang merah jambu atau hijau? Yeah, okay, the pink one lah. Okay, pink is the best because the total time is only 14 seconds. But the green, the total time is 16 seconds. So 14 seconds confirm menang lah yang pink. Okay, so yeah, this is the general knowledge. And then OE is Rizal and OABC is Jeffrey. Okay, ada dua orang ni lah. Okay, so AB represent the time elapsed before Jeffrey continue his one after a fall. Okay, so kat sini dia jatuh over here. Okay, between 6 second to 9 second, speed is 0 guys. Okay, laju dia kosong. So if your speed is 0, what is the possible reason? Means you stop running, right guys? Kamu dah berhenti berlari. That's why laju kamu kosong. So kenapa berhenti berlari? Not resting, fall. Okay, he fall guys. Okay, you can see here, run after a fall. Okay, dia telah jatuh. Alright, so of course when you jatuh, you guys have no speed lah. Kamu tak ada kelajuan because you will stop when you fall. Okay, 3 second only, sangat pantas. Okay, 3 second, and then he start to run again. Okay, to the finish line. Any one of you got take part in 100 meters? Siapa pernah pergi 100 meter larian? Got pernah cuba? Oh, okay. So do you guys win? Menang tak? Atau kalah? You guys get first place? Oh, number 2, not bad. Anyone number 1? Oh, wow, both of you second place. Wow. Okay, coincidence. Dua-dua pun pelari bagus. Alright. So next time you two can challenge each other lah. Okay, cuba lari sama-sama. Tengok siapa menang. Okay. Alright. So now part A. Okay, so calculate the time loss in second by Jeffrey in the competition. Okay, so time loss. Berapa masa yang dia hilang? So kat sini lah 3 saat. Okay, 3 second he lost because he rest. Okay, so 3 second. And then part B. Wait, let me see. Yang ni second kan. Guys, always remember check the unit. Kamu kena hati-hati dengan unit kat sini. Sometimes they will put minute. So you guys must tahu how to convert. Okay, so since here is second, okay lah, direct. Okay, over here also second. Okay, so now, did Jeffrey have the chance to become champion? Okay, adakah dia boleh menjadi juara kalau dia tak jatuh? If he did not fall down. So now you guys need to check and see lah. For the green graph, you guys need to count and see. Kamu kena kira. Kalau kat sini tak berlaku, over here never happen. So can he still become champion or not? So you guys need to count the time lah. Kamu kena kira masa. Okay, so basically, let me see ya. Okay, so the answer is yes. Okay, jawapan dia ya. Jeffrey will finish the race in 12 seconds. Okay, kalau dia tak jatuh, dia boleh complete larian tu 12 saat. Because 3 second, kalau tak ada yang ni, 14 minus 3, okay, 11 to 12 second lah guys. Okay, 11 hingga 12. Okay, 12 second or 11 second, still he managed to win the race. Okay, dia boleh menang. Okay, so yeah, the answer is yes. How to get? What do you mean how to get? How to get what? Oh, okay. Alright. You can actually count from here. This one. Okay, kamu boleh tengok yang ni. Means this graph lah, maintain sampai ke akhir. Okay, so basically distance 50 meter and then speed. The speed over here is 50 divide 6, right? Okay, jarak melawan masa. So the gradient is the speed. Okay, so 50 bagi 6, kamu akan dapat 8.3 meter per second. So 8.3 meter per second is the speed now. So kalau nak maintain yang ni for 100 meters, kamu boleh kira lah. So 8.33 equal to 100 divide t, divide time. So t is equal to 100 over 8.33. So you guys get 12. Can you see? Boleh nampak? So 100 divide by gradient over here. Okay, kecerunan yang ni. Alright, so that's why the answer is 12. Okay, so yeah. Understand guys? Question 1. Semua jelas? How to solve? Can Okay, next one. Number 2. Okay, so this one is an incomplete distance time graph. Okay, graph jarak melawan masa yang tak lengkap. Okay, you guys can see here, it's not complete. And they say distance is 100 km. Okay, jarak dia 100 km. Alright, so they say it is given. Guys, can you see keyword rate of change in distance? Okay, kadar perubahan masa. Guys, what does this represent? May I know? Apa yang ini mewakili? Yes, okay, rate of change of distance is the speed. Okay, kelajuan. Okay, so they say first 60 km, 72 km per hour. So, this one lah. Mereka bagi tahu yang ni. First 60 km. Okay, is 72 km per hour. Guys, check unit kilometer per hour. Kilometer, minute. Guys, is it the same or different? The unit. Sama atau berbeza? Berbeza kan? Okay, it's totally different, your unit. So, you need to convert. Convert which one? You guys can convert this one lah. So guys, minute to second. Minute to hour. How to convert? Yeah, okay, you must divide by 60. Okay, minit kepada jam bagi 60. So means that 72, okay, 72 is the speed equal to distance, jarak is 60, and then your time. Okay, time you must divide by 60. So basically T divide 60. Okay, selesaikan untuk T lah. Okay, just solve for your T value. Then you get the answer. Okay, T1. You guys can label T1. Alright. So yeah. So the answer should be, let me see. Okay, you guys should get 50. Yeah, you guys should get 50. Okay, 50 second. Okay, wait. 50 minute. Okay, this one is 50 minute. Alright. So T1 is 50. Understand guys? For your part A, how to solve? Jelas? Question 8. Clear. Alright. Okay, so for part B, they say the Encik Jumaili's car is stationary for 20 minutes. Okay, so they say stationary for 20 minutes. Calculate the value of T2. Very simple guys. Kalau 20 minit tak bergerak, maksudnya T2 berapa guys? Simple. T1 50, 20 minute rest. T2 dapat berapa? Yeah, 50 plus 20. Okay, so your T2 is 70. Simple kan? That's all. Yeah, 1 hour 20 minutes, 10 minutes. But you know it to write like that because they want in minute. Okay, dia nak jawapan dalam minute. So you just say 70. Okay, don't convert to hour. Alright? Okay, so this one done. Okay, and then they say his journey continue from B to destination. Okay, dia pergi dari B kepada destinasi dia, laju purata 75. Okay, so you guys need to draw the graph. Okay, kamu kena lengkapkan graph ni. So basically, you guys need to count lah. Okay, kamu kena kira masa dia berapa. Okay, so time is equal to distance. Distance is 60, right? Okay, because he go back. Distance 60 over speed. Speed is 75. Okay, 75. So you guys boleh tekan calculator lah. Okay, 60 over 75. So your time is 0.8. 0.8 is what, guys? What unit? 0.8 ni unit apa? Jam, minit atau saat? Careful guys, careful. You guys must refer the unit. Kena tengok unit asal kat sini. What is the original unit? Per hour guys, per hour. Yes, okay, so 0.8 is actually representing hour. Okay, it's hour. So you guys must convert kepada minute. So guys, hour to minute, how to convert? Penukaran jam kepada minit. Careful. Jam kepada minute guys. Hour to minute. Yeah, time 60. Don't divide 60 guys. If you divide 60 then gone Okay. So time 60. Alright. So you guys should get 48. Okay, kamu akan dapat 48. But 48 is what? 48 is the extra time. Correct? 48 ni yang additional. Okay, additional 48 minutes. So 70 plus 48, 118. So kat sini kamu label 118. 48 is the time from T2 to 118. This is the 48. Okay, this distance. Alright. So basically, you draw the graph like this lah, down. Okay, make sure use ruler guys. Over here, I don't have ruler, so my line is not straight. Kena guna pembaris. Alright. So yeah, this is the graph. You guys can see here. Wait. Did I do mistake? Salah guys. Dia lukis atas. B to its destination. Oh, okay, wait. Sorry guys. Because they say average speed 75, right? You guys need to draw up. Because over here, yeah, sorry, I didn't realize they put this one here. Yeah, correct. Sorry guys, you just need to draw it up. Okay, this one wrong direction. You must draw it up. Okay? Yes, because it's increasing. Sorry guys, make mistake already. Okay, B to destination means you must draw up. This one is wrong. Okay, not this one. Okay. Thank you. At least you guys understand. I also can make mistake. Okay, so for part C, this is the graph. Okay, this one is 102 guys. If you guys count, it should be 102. Basically, 40 divided by the speed. 40 divided by speed is how much? 40 divided 75. Okay, 40 divided 75. You guys akan dapat 0.53 then times 60. 32. Okay, so 32 and then 70. 70 plus 32, 102. Okay, so 102 is here. Can you guys see? 102. Understand guys? Can get the concept? How I get 102? It's the same concept like just now only. 100 minus 60 and then you take divide by 75. Okay? You get the answer. Any problem so far? Ada apa-apa masalah setakat ni? Clear? Can? Boleh? Can Okay. Next one, part D. Okay, so for part D, they say if the journey from O starts 9:30 in the morning, calculate the time he reached the destination. Okay, so over here 9:30 he start. Okay, so you guys need to see lah how many minutes. Okay, total you guys get is 102 minutes, right? So 9:30, 102. 102 is 1 hour and 42 minutes, correct? So 9:30 plus 1 hour and 42 minutes lah. You guys can count manual also. 9:30 plus with 1 hour 42. You guys should get 11:12. Okay, you guys can count manual. 1 hour 42. Jam and minute lah. Can you see guys? You also get the to 11, 12 in the morning. 72 means you must minus 60 because 1 hour is 60. So make sure tolak. So you guys will get remainder is 12. Okay, this one is 12. And then kamu kena bawa 1 jam ke sini. And then total is 11. 11, 12. Understand guys how to do the calculation? Are you clear? Can. Like that lah. This how you get 11, 12 a.m. or 11, 12 in the morning. Okay. All right. Done. Question 2. Okay. Now question, yeah, a.m. can. Yeah, if you write 11, 12 a.m. also can. But don't write p.m. Guys. Kalau tulis p.m. salah because now we are talking about pagi. In the morning. So be careful. a.m. or p.m. Okay. So yeah, done. Next one. Okay. So part 3. Okay. So part 3. Encik Jamal going to Padang Besar with his family. During the return journey to Jitra, he stopped at Bukit Kayu Hitam for tea break. Anyone go to Padang Besar or not before? Siapa pernah pergi Padang Besar? Anyone? For those in Perlis, I don't know. I think for those pernah pergi, means you are from Kedah, am I right? Or you're from Perlis itself? I'm just guessing. Teka-teki only. Oh, I've seen. Have you been in real life to Padang Besar? Padang Besar is basically the border to Thailand. Sempadan, Malaysia, Thailand. Not only pass by. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, so never mind. Let's see the question. Okay, so the question is a distance time graph showing the return journey. Okay, dia balik Padang Besar to Jitra. So basically, Padang Besar is here. I use short form, guys, PB. And then Jitra, dia berehat. Bukit Kayu Hitam. Over here is Bukit Kayu Hitam. Dia berehat. BKH. Bukit Kayu Hitam. And then go back to Jitra. You guys kena bayangkan macam ni lah. Okay, this is the journey. Alright. Okay, so now the question is, they ask you calculate the duration. Car is stationary. Okay, berapa masa kereta ni pegun? Can anyone tell me? Stationary means over here lah guys. So how long is the time? It's stationary. Yes. Naughty, careful. Yeah, over here guys, 55 minus 30. So answer is 25 minutes guys. Okay, 25 minit. Okay, so yeah, that's the answer for part A. Okay, it's all right, no problem. Okay, so this one, they say the average speed from Padang Besar to Bukit Kayu Hitam is 66 km per hour. Kamu kena cari P. So guys, average speed, how to find from the graph? This is distance time, jarak melawan masa. So laju purata mewakili. What does it represent? Yes, okay, total distance over total time. Okay, jumlah jarak bahagi dengan jumlah masa. So basically, find the gradient lah guys. Okay, you need to find the gradient of this line. Okay, so 60 minus P over 30 minus 0. So 60 minus P over 30 equal to 66. But, okay, you guys must remember, always check unit guys. This is when the unit is very important. Kena selalu check unit, minute. But now, jawapan kamu adalah jam. Can you see? Hour and minute. So you guys need to convert minute to hour. So guys, minute to hour, how to convert? Kena buat apa? Yes. Okay, very good. Make sure remember your conversion guys. Basic, minit kepada jam bahagi 60. So 30 kena bahagi 60. Okay, that's all. So 60 minus P bahagi 30 per 60 sama dengan 66. Then you guys solve for P. Okay, so P you guys should get 27. Okay, kamu akan dapat 27 untuk P. Alright. Clear guys, the concept for B1, how to do? Jelas? Can Okay, so next one. They ask you guys to count the distance between Padang Besar and Bukit Kayu Hitam. Kamu kena cari jarak. Okay, so guys, how to find the distance? You guys know the P already, right? Okay, the P is 27, right? So guys, can you tell me what is the distance now? Apa jarak dia? Simple. Final answer? Anyone? Padang Besar to Bukit Kayu Hitam. Yeah, basically minus lah. 60 minus 27. So jawapan is 33. Okay, 33 km is the distance. Jarak. Alright. Okay, next one. Okay, so for part C, they say that Encik Jamal drive at an average speed of 64.8 Bukit Kayu Hitam kepada Jitra. Okay, so again, same concept lah guys. You need to use the gradient. Now we focus this one. Okay, so basically 27 minus 0 over T minus 55 bahagi 60 equal to your speed 64.8. So you guys boleh selesaikan lah yang ni. And then you guys can find T. Okay, so your T you guys should get is 80, 80. Alright, the solving part, I don't think I want to show you guys because it take time, right? Okay, dia ambil masa. As long you guys know the idea, that's the most important. 27 over T minus 55 bahagi 60. T minus 55 seluruh ni kena bahagi 60 ah guys. T minus 55 in bracket bahagi 60. Okay, equal to this one, 64.8. Alright, any problem guys? Question C? Ada apa-apa masalah? Part C? You got 80, yeah? Wait, let me see. Yeah, correct. Okay, 80 is the answer. Yeah, very good. Okay? Yeah, so you guys know lah how to do it. Alright, now they ask you calculate the average speed for the whole journey. Okay, laju purata untuk keseluruhan perjalanan. So basically, total distance guys. What is the total distance for the whole graph? Yeah, jumlah jarak 60. Total time guys, jumlah masa is your T lah. What is the T? T you guys found just now. Where is it? T. Did you guys find T? Yeah, part C, 80, yes. Okay, so basically just divide only. And be careful guys, you should get 45. The unit, they want kilometer per hour. So you guys must take 80 bahagi 60. And then 60 bahagi jawapan. Okay, 60 divide 80 over 60. Okay, so then you will get the answer. The answer is 45. Okay, 45. Alright guys, are you clear with this? Jelas for question 3? Can. Simple right guys, this chapter. Senang kan? This chapter must score 1. Not difficult at all. Okay, question will look like this only. Okay, so for this one, they say there is a distance time graph, 60 km, 3t minute. So this is your graph now. Okay, something like this. So km and minute. And they say rate of change in distance. Again guys, they always like to use this keyword, kadar perubahan jarak. Kadar perubahan jarak is your laju. Okay, speed. Before and after stationary is the same. So before is here, sebelum. After, selepas is here. So dia kata dua-dua ni sama kecerunan. So same step lah guys. 24 minus 0 over t is equal to 60 minus 24 over 3t minus t plus 10. And then you guys solve to find the t value. Okay, so this is the answer. You should get t is 20. Okay, I write for you the equation so that you guys can imagine. Okay, so it's 24 divide t, and then t I write like this, equal to 60 minus 24 is 46. So 46, and then 3t minus, okay, minus t plus 10 must bracket guys, 3t minus bracket t plus 10. So it's 2t minus 10. This is the equation that you guys must solve. Okay, 2t minus 10. So you guys should solve and get the t lah. This one you all know how to solve, right? Wait, sorry. Oh my god, what happened? Thank you. I also blurred. 60 minus 24 is 36. Yes, very good. Sorry guys, this is what happens when you don't use calculator. Sometimes simple mistake can happen. Okay, so you should get 36. Okay, this one is 36. Alright guys, thank you for correcting me. So then solve for t. Understand guys how to do it for part A? Can. Okay, so yeah, this is the answer. You should get 20 for your t value. Okay, so yeah, next one, part B, they want you guys to count average speed. Same thing guys, laju purata. So basically it's 60 divide your 3T. Okay, but kilometer per hour. So make sure convert minute kepada jam. 3T divide 60. Okay, and then 60 bahagi jawapan. Okay, so this is the answer. You should get 60. Final answer. Kilometer per hour. Okay, always check unit, guys. The only way you guys can make mistake this chapter is salah unit. A lot of people make mistake, lose mark because of the unit. Sebab dia tak tengok betul-betul. They always like to trick you guys over here. Okay, they will trick you here. Sometimes they put seconds, sometimes they put minutes, sometimes they put jam. So lihat betul-betul graph kamu. Your axis is very important. And check what is the unit they give you here. Okay. Alright. Now they ask you to describe the motion for the station after the stationary period. Okay. Cuba huraikan yang ni. Kamu kena huraikan pergerakan. So guys, how to describe? Hey, careful. This one is not speed increase, guys. Remember, gradient is constant. Okay, if gradient constant, speed is constant. Okay. Kelajuan kat sini malar sebab kecerunan dia juga malar. Okay. So you guys must say it is moving at constant speed or constant velocity. Laju malar atau laju malar. And then you guys tell how much lah, berapa nilai dia. Okay, you guys count the gradient. 60 minus 24 over 2t minus 10. Okay, kamu ganti nilai t lah yang kamu dapat tadi. You guys get the constant velocity. And then distance, how far it travel, guys. Berapa jauh dia pergi. 60 minus 24 is 36. So you say 36 km. And then how long? Berapa lama? 2t minus 10 minute. So always remember, state all the information. Tell the speed, tell the distance, tell the time. Bagi tahu tiga info ni. Then jawapan kamu lengkap. Okay, laju, jarak, masa. Bagi semua nilai kat dia untuk part C. Okay, when they ask you describe, uraikan pergerakan. Bagi tahu tiga yang ni. Alright, so you guys can see here, the car moves with an average speed. First info, average speed 72 km per hour. Distance 36 km, time 30 minutes. Can you see, guys? Keyword. Okay, this is the first keyword, the speed. Second keyword, distance. And the third keyword is your time. So make sure have all this information in your answer. Semua ni kena letak. Alright? Simple or not, guys? Are you all clear so far with the answer? Can. Okay, very good. So basically this is distance. Let me see. Yeah, this is about distance time graph. Already finished. So dah habis 7.1. So now new subtopic 7.2 speed time graph. This one also quite easy. Wait, I need to make it bigger. Okay, good. So 7.1, all of you clear, guys? Are you all okay? Any question you want to ask before I start 7.2 with you guys? Am I too fast or too slow? Just want to check with all of you. Adakah saya terlalu laju atau terlalu lambat? Is the pace okay? Okay, right? Constant velocity. Wow, you guys can apply. Very good. Boleh aplikasikan. Okay, understand constant velocity. Lucky not acceleration yet. Now we're going to talk about acceleration. So hopefully when I talk about acceleration, saya punya ajaran pun tak accelerate lah sangat. If I talk like accelerating, you guys tell me go back to constant velocity. Okay? Sometimes I will suddenly teach fast, not because I sengaja, but how to say, naturally, suddenly I start to talk fast about this thing. So if you guys cannot cope, just tell me slow down. Okay? Bagi tahu saya perlahan sikit. Okay? Alright, so guys, this is speed time graph, one of the example of a graph. Okay, but don't worry, you guys won't study curve graph in maths. All the graph is straight line. Remember that. Okay, semua graph yang kamu belajar matematik adalah garis lurus, tak ada lengkung punya. Okay, all is straight line. So speed time, natural, you guys must know a few things lah about speed time graph. Okay, so the application, this is about application. Do you guys know the speedometer? Yang kamu nampak dalam kereta, the car. So guys, how do they actually show what is the speed? Macam mana alat tu boleh tunjuk kat kamu, okay, saya pergi 60 km per hour. I'm going 100 suddenly and then 30. How they show the value? Macam mana nilai tu dapat? Based on what? They of course use the formula lah. Okay, dia speedometer will use the formula distance over time, correct? Dia akan kira berapa jauh kamu pergi dan berapa masa kamu ambil. Then dia tunjuk kelajuan kat sini, like this. Can you see? It is actually counting how far and how fast you are going. Then it actually tell you the speed, correct? So that's how the speedometer boleh tunjuk lah semua nilai ni. Dia akan guna formula distance over time and then count automatic. Okay? So yeah. So basically, it can change lah. Okay, dia boleh berubah. Maximum, what's the maximum in you guys car? Maximum laju? I think different car is different, right? Nilai maximum kat sini. Maximum for you 240 ya. Some car only 200, I think. 200, between that lah, 200, 190, 180, depend lah. Okay, bergantung jenis kereta. Okay, some can go up to 240 also. But highway, do you guys know highway had laju berapa? Hopefully you guys know. Lebuh raya utama apa had laju kita di Malaysia? Very good. Masih tahu 110, very good. 400 more per hour? What do you mean? 400, you mean 400 meter per hour, is it? 400 meter or 400 kilometer? It's a big difference, If you 400 kilometer per hour, you fly already lah, guys. Guys, when you try to imagine and see lah, guys, when your parent is like driving at 120 kilometer per hour, do you feel like your car is going to fly already? Kamu rasa tak macam kereta dah nak terbang masa 120, 130? Kinda, right? So you guys imagine and see, if you drive 400 kilometer per hour, how? Kamu cuba bayangkanlah macam mana kamu rasa kalau pergi 400 km per hour. Pasti terbang dah. Confirm your car fly already. Flying car. Wawasan 2020 already achieve. We want to get flying car, right? But still not yet. But you guys can reach lah. 400 km per hour can got chance to reach fly. Yeah. Meet any god in the world also lah. But lucky no one try yet lah. So far, no one tried this thing because I think they want to take care of their life. All right. So now, the question, the situation here is, basically, if the speedometer, the meter there increase, means that the vehicle speed is increasing lah. Common sense, laju bertambah, and then it decrease, and then rate of change of speed. You guys must know this rate of change of speed. Kadar perubahan laju mewakili apa, guys? Yeah, very good. Okay, rate of change of speed is the acceleration, pecutan. Okay, so now we're going to see the speed time graph. Okay, this is the speed time graph. Guys, so if you have a graph like this, what does this represent? What is the acceleration over here? Gradient constant, right? Kecerunan malah kan? So, acceleration is also constant. Okay, pecutan juga malah, yeah, constant acceleration means all the way lah. If let's say acceleration 5, so 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, dia maintain saja 5 pecutan dia. But constant acceleration, does it mean the speed is changing? Yes or no? Adakah laju dia berubah kalau ada pecutan? Yes. Okay, your speed is increasing if you have an acceleration. Okay, laju dia bertambah. Okay, increasing speed or constant acceleration, same thing. Okay. So yeah, that's what you need to understand. Wait, let me see. Okay, I ask you guys. Okay, but okay, let's say if the graph is like this, what is the acceleration? Apa pecutan dia? Okay, 0, right? Kosong, right? Agree? Okay, means there is 0 acceleration. Okay, pecutan sifar. 0 acceleration means what? Velocity. How much is the velocity if there is 0 acceleration? Yes, very good. Okay, kalau pecutan kosong maksudnya laju tu malar. Okay, it's a constant velocity. Means your final and initial velocity is the same. Okay, laju awal dan akhir sama. Maksudnya laju malar lah. Okay, constant velocity. So, 0 acceleration. Okay, pecutan sifar. Okay, now comes the question. If I suddenly lah guys, this one won't come out in SPM, but I want you guys to think and see. How if I have a graph like this? What does it mean? Can you all think and see? If let's say suddenly the acceleration is like this. Okay, this means, this one means you are going to die very soon lah guys. Okay, kamu akan mati sangat cepat kalau graph macam ni. Okay, this is actually infinite acceleration. No, not parallax ever. This is infinite acceleration. Because if you have a straight line means gradient infinity, right guys? Do you all agree? Kalau garis lurus menegak macam ni, maksudnya kecerunan adalah infinity. Betul? Ataupun tak tetap wave lah. So if gradient is infinity, means that acceleration is also infinity. Guys, if acceleration infinity, you know what it means lah guys. Okay, it means you are going to God soon. Okay, you're closer to the heaven already. Okay, so now, speed time graph. Okay, so basically you guys must understand vertical axis is the speed. Okay, yang menegak tu mewakili kelajuan. Horizontal is the time. Okay, yang mendatar tu adalah masa. And the gradient, it represent the rate of change of speed. Okay, kecerunan ni mewakili kadar perubahan laju. Actually, right guys, when you use the word rate, right, rate actually means is referring to time. Do you all know that? So bila kamu nampak perkataan kadar, maksudnya sudah ada masa. Maksudnya kamu tak perlu kata masa sekali lagi, but if you want to say also can lah, no problem. Kalau nak kata yang ni pun masih boleh. Actually, it's repeated already. Sudah berulang 2 kali. Kalau kata kadar, maksudnya masa. But since we are talking about acceleration, means we need per second, right? So that's why kita ulang masa 2 kali lah. Time and also time. Per second. So acceleration is ms negative 2. Make sense? Logic kan? Maksudnya bahagi masa, 2 time. Rate and also time. Okay? Understand guys? Boleh faham? So this is the unit guys for acceleration. ms negative 2 or kms negative 2 or okay, and also cms negative 2 depend lah. Okay, bergantung kepada unit. Alright? Okay, so now how to draw speed time graph? Macam mana lukis? Okay, you guys can see here. This is the example. Okay, so let's say you guys got a table like this. Okay, you guys can see speed is increasing, right? Okay, laju kamu bertambah. Is it constant? May I know? You see the increase. Is the increase constant or not constant? See carefully. Kelajuan tu bertambah malah atau tidak? Yeah, it's a constant increase, right? Okay, it's a constant increase. So, increasing velocity uniformly, you can say. Okay, bertambah kelajuan secara malah. Okay, so, will you have acceleration? Common sense? Adakah kamu akan ada pecutan kat sini? Yeah, definitely you have lah. Because let's say this the initial, this is the final. So, 10 over 1. So, your acceleration is 10. So, you have acceleration lah. Alright? So, yeah, this is your graph. Basically, it's a straight line graph. Okay, constant increase in velocity and also constant acceleration. Okay, so any problem with this graph? Are you all clear? Simple, right? Just need to draw a straight line graph only. Alright, okay, next one. Another example. Okay, so this one, they are talking about rate of change of speed. This is the keyword for this subtopic. Kadar perubahan laju means pecutan. Okay, we are talking about acceleration. So this is the equation for aeroplane. Okay, kapal terbang. Have you guys been on aeroplane? Hopefully you guys have been already. Pernah naiki tak kapal terbang? This one better. Better you guys say yes. Hopefully. Have you guys been on aeroplane? Going where? Pernah pergi mana? Kapal terbang. Which country? Negara mana? Langkawi. Anyone travel overseas? Siapa pernah pergi overseas? Okay, India, alright. That's good. Any other country? Mostly Malaysia lah. Okay, so let's say, okay, when you guys sit in the airplane, right, and then the airplane want to take off. Okay, do you guys notice something or not? When the airplane is going to take off, bila masa nak lepas tu, that is the time it accelerate. Am I right? Do you guys feel it? Masa dia nak berlepas tu, kapal terbang tu pecut. Common sense, right? Because it's going to take off. So when you take off, must accelerate. Correct? Kalau nak take off, nak constant velocity, boleh tak? You guys fikir logic. Cannot, right? Okay, if you guys constant velocity when take off, right? Tak boleh take off. Kena pecut. Okay? But then, when the airplane is flying in the air, guys, bila dia terbang kat udara, kena accelerate tak? Coba fikir. No need. You guys can fly constant velocity. Okay, airplane will travel constant because tak perlu accelerate. You can take your time. Tak perlu rush kan. So on top in the air is always constant. That's why kamu pun tak rasa apa-apa. Am I right? You don't feel anything. So it's constant. Okay, it's just flying at a very high. If the plane accelerate in air, it will keep going up. No, it won't go up. It will go straight only. Dia pergi straight saja. Tapi lebih laju lah. Maybe you guys cannot feel it also. Tak boleh rasa because it's very fast. 400 km per hour, 500, tak boleh rasa. Okay, that's why when you guys sit in the airplane on top, right? Kamu nampak tak? Kat luar tu macam tak bergerak. Am I right? When you guys see out of the window, it feels like you're not moving at all. Kamu tak bergerak. But actually you're moving, but you're moving too fast. That's why you cannot see anything. Kamu bergerak terlalu laju. That's the concept, guys, because it's going too fast. So whether you accelerate or maintain constant velocity, you memang tak tahu. Unless you come down to the land, then only you can feel. That's the concept. Okay, so basically a bit of physics lesson for you guys lah. I'm not a pilot, guys. Don't think I'm a pilot. This is general knowledge, okay, that you guys can also know from physics. Okay, so just to share with you guys lah. Alright, and then last part is the landing lah. Landing time. Common sense, guys. Do you accelerate, decelerate, or constant? You guys think and see lah. Ni pecutan atau malah bila nak landing? Accelerate Wow. If you accelerate this one very dangerous, you know. Might not land. Okay, yes. Of course, decelerate lah, guys. Okay, must decelerate. If accelerate, cannot. Okay, so yeah, that's the concept of the speed time graph. Okay, speed time graph, you guys can see in aeroplane also. Alright? So yeah, basically it's like this, your graph, if the equation is like this. Okay, just need to find 2 points. Boleh plot dua-dua titik ni, this point and also this point. You plot here. And then, yeah, you just need to draw the graph like this. Okay, understand, guys? Are you clear? Boleh. So yeah, basically it's like this lah. Okay, so let's try some exercise. Another thing about airplane. Do you guys wonder or not? Okay, let's say some of you fly from Malaysia to India, let's say. How long is the flight? May I know? For the person who went, what's the name? Let me see. Sairam. Okay, 3 hours. Okay, let's say 3 hours, guys. Okay, the plane is going like quite fast, right? I mean, around 500 to 600 km per hour. But still, it takes 3 hours. Do you all know why? Masih ambil 3 jam walaupun sangat pantas. Can you guys think how come it takes so long when it's already going so fast? Yeah, the distance. The distance, it look near. Dia nampak sangat dekat dua-dua negara. It looks near, but actually it's very far. If you see on the map, it's like, how come so close? 3 hours can be faster, what? But actually it's because of the distance. And also because it's going at constant velocity. If it accelerate, can reach faster. Do you notice sometimes they say like maybe the time taken is 1 hour, but then suddenly tiba 40 minutes only. How come got difference? Because maybe somewhere along the journey, pilot tu dia accelerate. So when you accelerate, you cut the time. So boleh potong sikit masa, 20 minit, something like that. That's the reason. Why it takes so long? Because constant velocity. Bila dia flying ke udara. That's the reason lah, guys. Okay. So at least some application lah, you guys know about it. Air resistance, yes, got, but it does not affect much. Okay, dia tak pengaruhi sangat banyak. Not that much. Yes, of course, it slow down the time, but not too much. Alright? So yeah, at least you guys can see that you like this topic also. It's a good topic to discuss. Okay, so this one, speed time graph, guys. How to draw it? Okay, so for part A, basically you just need to plot lah as normal. Okay, it's like this only. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points, straight line. Okay, so this is your starting. You can have y-intercept, no problem. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, very straightforward. Make sure label the unit also, guys, here. Don't forget label the unit. Okay, kena letak. Don't just write speed and time. Must write unit. Okay, and then for part B, also simple. Just follow and plot. Okay, you will get something like this. Guys, if you see a graph like this, what does it mean? If you see the gradient, speed versus time, means what is happening here? Apa tengah berlaku? Common sense. You see negative gradient. So, Yeah, okay, negative gradient means negative acceleration. Negative acceleration means deceleration lah guys. Okay, niya pecutan. That's the concept. Will they give the scale in the exam? Depends on you guys. The scale is, you can decide the scale. Because over here, the question never say any scale. Can you see? So if no scale given, you create the scale lah guys. Quite obvious, right? 2 cm to 1 unit, 2 cm to 5 unit. Correct? So just follow based on the pattern, or 10 unit also can, no problem. All right. But usually they don't ask this question because it's very simple. All of you can score full mark. Okay, so usually they don't ask this. This is just basic for you guys. Okay. All right. So this one, another speed time graph. This time they never give the table. So you guys need to depend on yourselves lah. What value you want to use, depend on you, and use the equation. Okay, to find the speed time graph. So you guys can just plot any 2 points that you like and you can draw the graph. Okay, logic lah guys, just choose any logic value. You can already get this graph easily. Okay, always use ruler because it's straight line. Okay, kena guna pembaris. Alright, and then this one, for part B, you got V equals 3t and it's 0 to 5. So again, same concept, just use any scale that is suitable. You guys can get this graph. Okay, any problem with the graphs guys? All the graph here? No problem, clear. Okay, that's good. All right, next one, let's see. This one nothing. Okay, this one. Okay, so for this one, we are talking the difference between speed time and also distance time. Left is distance time, right is speed time. So basically they are converting. Okay, you convert distance time to speed time. So everything will change lah guys. Okay, from distance, you change to speed. Time still remain. Okay, x-axis is still the same. Masih masa, but your y-axis is now changing. From distance, you change to speed. Okay, so basically, if you have a graph like this means what? This means constant speed, right guys? Okay, halaju malal, because gradient is constant. So, can you see here? Constant speed or constant velocity, because exactly the same. These two graphs are exactly the same. Do you see it guys? Can you understand the concept? Something like this only. Okay, yeah, so this is how you convert from distance time to speed time. Okay, and then let me see. Yeah, so basically from the gradient you can determine the speed. Okay, that's what the gradient tell you. Okay, and then this is the important part. The area under speed time graph is the one that is representing distance. This is what they'll always ask you to count in SPM. Okay, luas bawah graf jarak, graf laju melawan masa mewakili jarak. This is the concept. Okay, because speed times time is equal to distance. Meter per second times second equal to meter. So that's why the answer is distance. Okay, and then speed time graph, yeah, this is the conclusion. Area under graph is your distance. So make sure remember these are guys, very important. Okay, speed time graph, area under graph is distance. Okay, so you guys can actually try out simple exercise, calculate the distance. Okay, so for part A guys, can you count and see what is the distance traveled here? Basically you can see it's a trapezium. So you guys must know lah, formula for a trapezium. Hopefully you guys still remember basic. So can you guys tell me final answer for this one? Just press calculator. Okay, sama-sama. Okay, how you get 6.25? Can you share with me? I think it's calculation error, right? Okay, it's 5 plus 10 times 4 over 5 divided 2. Okay, formula is half times sum of two parallel line times height. Okay, setengah kali hasil tambah 2 sisi selari. This is your parallel line, 2 sisi selari. And then this is your height. Okay, height is horizontal always. Okay, yang ni adalah ketinggian. Alright, so you should get exactly 6. Okay, this is the answer. There. Okay, distance is equal to area of trapezium, so you should get 6, yeah, km, correct. Okay, always follow the unit. Okay, because kilometer per hour and also hour. So that's why answer is km. Alright? Okay, but now you guys see the part B. Okay, part B, there is a contradiction here. Hours and also minute. So guys, can I directly times or not? You must be careful here. Boleh tak saya darab secara terus? Cannot. Okay, so either you convert this to minute or you convert this to hour. Choose one. Okay, pilih mana-mana satu. Okay, so of course this is easier lah guys. Okay, tukar yang ni kepada jam. So, minute to hour conversion, what is it? All this must be at the fingertips, guys. Yeah, okay, divide 60 lah. Okay, because minute to hour is divide 60. Yeah, so basically 6, you just divide by 60. Okay, so it's 1 over 10 or 0.1. Okay, so half times 80 plus 40 times 1 over 10. Okay, that will be your answer. Okay, so the answer is also 6 km. Yeah. Okay, km only, no hour, because now is distance. Okay, just km. All right. So this is the concept. All right, guys. Clear for this one? Simple, right? You will use this a lot in the questions later on when you solve speed time graph. This is the example of question they can ask in the exam. Okay, this is the type. Okay, so they say speed time shows the speed of Mrs. Liu's car for 36 minutes. Okay, so total time, jumlah masa is 36. Wow. If a person drive like this, right, I'm very scared. One time accelerate so fast, one time decelerate so fast, and then suddenly accelerate so fast. This one I don't know where she's driving lah. Maybe this is in the F1 track. I don't know. Okay, because there is such a sharp acceleration and it changes so fast. Okay lah, minute. Okay, never mind. I thought it was second. Lucky. Now only I see it's minute. Okay, makes sense. 10 minutes difference. Okay lah. Can. Okay, makes more sense. If second means I really panic already if I'm in this car. Okay, so now they ask you to count the total distance in km, okay, for a period of 36 minutes. Okay, so 36 minutes is the total, guys. Okay, total distance. So you need to find the area under graph for this whole journey. Okay, so split it into 3 parts. First part, triangle. Second part, trapezium. Third part, also trapezium. So you just need to add them separately. 1, 2, and 3. Simple, right, guys? So triangle, half times 10 times 72. And then trapezium, half times 72 plus 40 times 10. The difference is 10 height. Okay, and then third one, half times 40 plus 72 times 16. Okay, 36 minus 20, 16. Plus everything. Okay, so final answer, you should get like this. You can write all one shot. Okay, but be careful, guys. There is a trick also, minute. So everything must divide 60 at the end. Everything. Okay, everything divide 60 for the time. 60, 60, 60. Okay, are you clear, guys, for this question? Jelas how to do it? So final answer 30.27 km. Just make sure press calculator correctly. Don't do careless. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so next one, average speed. Average speed, same concept. Total distance divide total time. Jumlah jarak 30.27. Total time 36. But hour. Okay, you need to convert 36 bahagi 60. Convert minute to hour. So this is the answer. You should get 50.45 km per hour. Simple, guys. This question, jelas. So they show you the conversion here also. 60 minutes is 1 hour. 1 minute is 1 over 60 hour. Now I ask you guys extra info. As extra question. 1 hour, how many seconds, guys? May I know? Fast answer. Don't press calculator. 1 hour, how many seconds? All this you don't need to count one, guys. It's general knowledge already. Yes, very good. 3,600 seconds. Okay, 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. Okay, now I make it more complex for you guys. 1 day, how many seconds? Satu hari berapa saat? This one, you need to press calculator, I think. It's in 10,000 something lah, but I forget the 10,000 plus. Yeah, very, very high. 1 hour, how many seconds? You can use calculator, it's okay. This one, you need to use. Anyone? 1 jam berapa saat? Sorry, 1 hari berapa saat? Sorry, I make mistake. 1 day, how many seconds? Yeah, 86,400 seconds. A lot, right, guys? Nampak macam banyak kan? but actually it's very little. Okay, sangat kurang. Okay, 86,400 seconds is a lot, but it's actually very little. Okay, assuming it's 24 hours, guys, I'm assuming it's 24 hours because nowadays they also make like theories that maybe one day can be more than 24 hours, can be less than 24 hours, a lot of things lah. But we still assume it's 24 hours. Okay, somehow. Okay, so now this is the exercise. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to count the distance travel, guys. Okay, jarak yang dilalui. Okay, so very simple. Check unit as always, guys. This one, any problem with the unit? Yes or no? Kena buat penukaran atau tidak? Kilometer per hour and hour. No need. Straightforward. Okay, guys, you see carefully, guys, this one. Do I need to count it separately, like first part, second part, third part? Or can I direct count the area? You guys need to see here. Can you direct or you need to split? Common sense, guys. You can see the shape already. You see, like this, like this, like this. Yeah, you can direct. This is a trapezium directly. Okay, kamu boleh guna rumus trapezium. So half, wait. Yeah, okay, half times 4. Okay, 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 8. 8 minus 0. And then times 60. 60 is the height. Simple, right, guys? Direct count. Tak perlu pisahkan. Okay, this is your final answer. So you should get the answer is 360. Wow, such a nice number. Okay, 360. Okay, this is the answer. km. Okay, make sure always write unit in the answer. Alright, this one, guys. Any problem with the unit? May I know? Meter per second and second. Yeah, okay, again, no problem. So direct over here, you guys need to split. Okay, kena pisahkan. Okay, so you guys can actually split it like this. Also can. Into 2 is enough. Okay, this is 1 trapezium. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this is not trapezium. Cannot. Must do 3 part only. Okay, cannot. So no choice. You need to do part by part. Okay, 3 part. Okay, so trapezium, rectangle, triangle. Or you can also see 2 trapezium. This is faster. This one is a trapezium. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple, right? So 1 trapezium and also 1 trapezium, 2 trapezium. Okay, so half times 10 plus 20 times 5, first trapezium. Half times 5 plus 15 times 20. Add up. Okay, both of these, then you can get the final answer. You should get 0.275 meters. Okay, this one is meter. Simple? Simple, right? Usually they won't give weird shape, guys. Dia akan bagi bentuk macam ni saja. Senang. Okay, very straightforward. And then this one, again, you can see 2 trapezium. This one is 1 trapezium, and then this is the second trapezium. So again, half times 10 plus 5. This is the difference. And then times 8. Okay, this is the height. And then second one, half times 8 plus 16 times 8. This is the difference. That's all. Okay, and then you get the final. Careful. Okay, again, careful, guys. You need to divide 60. That's why I say always check the unit. Okay, so all of these divide 60. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so 2.6 is the final answer, km. Are you clear, guys? Question 1. All of you, jelas how to do your question 1? Clear. Okay, next one, question 2. Okay, so for question 2 is a speed time graph for 30 minutes. When he fetch the child after extra class, they want you to find total distance, jumlah jarak. Okay, so jumlah jarak, how to count, guys? For 30 minutes, you need to use what? This is speed time, laju masa. So distance is the you need to find what? Anyone? Yes, okay, you need to find the area under graph. Okay, luas bawah graph. So basically, again, same thing. Similar graph like just now. So 2 trapezium, just plus. Okay, half times 20 plus 40 times 8 plus second trapezium, half times 10 plus 22 times 40. Okay, then you get the answer for part A. Okay, you guys should get answer is 14.2/3 kilometers. Okay, is km, right? Yeah, kilometers. And then don't forget divide 60 again because it's minute. Okay, let's say lah guys, you forget to divide 60. It's okay. You just do the calculation as normal. Half times 20 plus 40 times 8. Then the whole answer, you just divide 60. You will still get correct. Understand guys? You no need to divide 60 individually for all of these times. Tak perlu buat berasingan. If you forget, at the end, just divide 60 for each of the operation. Each trapezium bagi 60 overall. Then it's still correct. Okay? This is just last resort option in case you forget the divide 60. Okay? So yeah. Okay, next one. Average speed. Okay, average speed, kilometer per hour. Same concept. Okay, so you know the total distance tadi, right? So total distance bahagi 30 bahagi 60 because they want kilometer per hour. Okay, so basically take the answer in A, which is the 14.2 over 3, divide by 30 over 60. Okay, are you sure? Is it 80? You should get 29.1 over 3. Your average speed. Okay, should get 29.1 over 3. Okay, 30 divide 60 and you take 14.2 over 3, divide answer. Okay, then you should get this one, average. Alright, so this is the answer for part B. Can guys, so far? Boleh? Okay, so this one, 100 meters event. Okay, this one is another running. So speed time, and they want you to find the value of t, cari nilai t. So again, they say the total is 100 already. So basically, area under graph lah guys. Okay, half times 8 times t minus 6 plus with trapezium, half times 8 plus 12 times t minus 6 equal to 100. Then you solve for t, the equation. Okay, I don't want to write lah guys because it's very simple, right? Senang kan? So you just need to solve only basic algebra, solve for t. Okay, so you guys will get t is equal to this one. T is equal to 16. Okay, understand guys the concept for this question? Again, no problem with the units because meter per second and second is okay to times. Okay, and then make sure guys, when you minus this, right, must use bracket guys. For the t minus 6, you need to put in bracket. Okay, because negative become positive. If you don't put bracket, you won't get the answer. Okay, so it's t minus bracket t minus 6. Okay, make sure bracket. Alright, and then for part B, they ask average speed kilometer per hour. So this one you need to change both unit guys. Meter to kilometer, second to hour. So meter to kilometer, conversion guys, may I know what to do? Test your conversion now. Meter to km. Anyone? Meter to kilometer. Time 60. Meter to kilometer, guys. Now you're talking distance, not time. Don't get confused. Meter to kilometer. Come on, anyone? Apa penukaran dia? Where got times 1000? Guys, smaller unit to bigger unit. Meter is smaller unit. Kilometer is bigger unit. Kalau kamu bagi dari unit yang kecil kepada besar, ya, kamu kena bahagi. Okay, that's the logic, guys. Okay, divide 1000. Because you're going from a smaller to bigger. Bigger to smaller, you times. Smaller to bigger, you divide. Make sense, right? Okay, so yeah. And then second to hour, what's the conversion, guys? May I know? Again, smaller to bigger. Second smaller, hour bigger. Yang kecil kepada besar. So, what you get? Yes, divide 3600. Very good. Okay, so basically, average. So your total distance, you need to, total distance we don't have, right? 100. Okay, 100 you need to convert to km lah. So 100 divide 1000, 0.1 over the time. Time is the t. T is how much? T is 16. So 16 divide 3600. Then you get the answer lah. You should get 22.5. Okay, final answer. Okay, are you clear guys with this? Jelas for this question? Okay, so now we come to the last part guys. Interpret the graph, then we stop. Alright, we just do this part on the graph, then enough already. Alright, so guys, last part. Wake up, this part very important, penting. Okay, bangun, bangun. Okay, this one, speed time graph. Okay, how to interpret? They like to ask. Okay, they'll ask you to describe the motion, uraikan pergerakan. Okay, so for PQ guys, you can see this is an acceleration. Constant or not constant guys, may I know? Mala atau tak mala? Pecutan ni, PQ. You guys see, speed time graph, straight line, garis lurus. So, are you sure increasing? Now we're talking acceleration, guys. Is the acceleration constant or not constant? Yeah. Okay, it's a constant acceleration. Pecutan mala. Velocity, guys. What's happening? May I know? Over here. PQ. Laju kamu macam mana? Increasing or decreasing? Yeah, increasing. Okay, increasing velocity. Okay, laju bertambah. Alright. Okay, then we see QR. Okay, QR. What is happening, guys? May I know? Acceleration, how much? Apa pecutan dia? Yes, very good. Okay, acceleration is 0 because horizontal. Horizontal gradient 0, kecerunan kosong. So, pecutan kosong. Okay, and this is uniform speed. Halaju mala or uniform velocity. Usually we use speed because we're talking speed time graph. So no need to really use the word velocity lah guys. Okay, tak perlu guna halaju. Just use speed is enough. Okay, don't confuse because that one is physics already. Alright. Okay, so RS is actually deceleration. Okay, near pecutan because negative acceleration. Pecutan negative maksudnya near pecutan, deceleration. So the speed, what is happening guys? Increase or decrease? May I know? Laju kamu? What's happening? Yeah, okay, decrease. Okay, your speed is decreasing. Does it decrease uniform or non-uniform? Your speed over here. Laju kamu berkurang secara mala atau tidak? Yes, okay, it's decreasing uniformly. Okay, that's why you have a constant deceleration. Okay, if it never decrease uniformly, means your deceleration is also not constant. Okay, so that's the concept. Okay, so yeah, basically for PQ, they're saying the speed is increasing, gradient positive, so rate of change of speed, which is acceleration. Okay, this is acceleration. Pecutan is positive. So acceleration is change of speed over change in time. Okay, the change is very important guys. We are talking about change. Okay, means the difference, perubahan. Okay, not just one value and one value. We are comparing two set of value. Remember this. When we count acceleration, always compare two set of value. Initial, final. Yang awal dan akhir. That's why we're talking change. Okay, and the area is actually the distance. Okay, luas tu mewakili jarak. That's the concept. For speed time graph. Okay, and then for QR, there is no change of speed. That's why zero gradient. Tak ada perubahan laju. But be careful guys. The object is still moving. It's just no change of speed. They never say stationary. Okay, it's just constant speed or uniform speed. Okay, laju mala. Alright, and they say that area of rectangle B, that is area under graph, represent the distance traveled. So same thing lah. Area under graph is the T2 minus T1 times with V, rectangle. Okay. And then for the RS, gradient of graph is negative, kecerunan negative. So pecutan also negative or near pecutan, deceleration. Okay, same formula. And then this one important guys, take note. There is no change in direction. That is the motion of the object remains in the same direction. Take note. Okay, tak ada apa-apa perubahan arah. Why guys? Does anyone know why they say this? There is no change in direction. Can anyone explain to me? Apa sebab dia kata tak ada perubahan arah? Walaupun simbol tukar. Positive to negative. Okay, yeah, that one we know. But what is the main reason? Apa sebab utama? Just one word only can tell the answer. Why they say there is no change in direction? What are we talking about now, guys? You need to see. What quantity are we talking about? Kita bincang pasal quantity apa? Yes, scalar, guys. We are talking about scalar quantity. Scalar quantity, we don't care about the direction, guys. Kita tak tengok arah kalau quantity scalar. And you guys must know speed is a scalar quantity. Am I right? Laju ni quantity scalar kan? That's why we use the word speed, not velocity. If they use the word velocity here, there will be change in direction. Understand or not? Kalau dia guna hal laju kat sini, maksudnya ada perubahan arah. That's why dia guna laju saja. Faham tak? We use speed to indicate there is no change in direction because speed is scalar. Scalar, no direction, only magnitude. Okay? Make sense, guys? Does this statement make sense? The third one? Take note, they like to ask on this. So remember, there is no change in direction. All right. And then the area is the same area of triangle is the area under graph represent the distance traveled in T3 to T2. So this is triangle lah guys. Half times V times with T3 minus T2. Okay. Are you clear guys with all of this? Jelas this whole graph? Simple, right? To understand. Basically, there is only three motion. These are the three motion that you guys must know. They cannot ask any other motion. Okay? Increase, stationary, constant, and decrease. Three things only. So you just need to know how to describe. How to describe is like this, like how they say here. Okay? So are you clear, guys, on today's class? Jelas? On all the concept for the speed time graph? Is it better for you guys? Clear? Jelas. Okay, that's good. Hopefully it helped you guys. What subject is it? It's maths, normal maths. Okay. This is normal maths. Wait, guys. Let me stop share. Did I stop share, Eddie? Just want to check. I stopped share screen, Eddie, right?